sodium nitrite, NaNO2, NaNO2. Occurrence less than 5% of daily nitrite intake comes from crude milk, meats. Nearly 93% of nitrate comes from leafy vegetables and tubers and our own saliva. Vegetable contains sodium nitrate, which is converted to nitrite when it comes into contact with saliva in our mouth. Nitrate in human. Nitric oxide is an amazing chemical that the body uses to control blood pressure, kill tumor cells, and heal wounds. When nitric oxide is done its work, its byproduct is nitrite. So clearly nitrite is something that is made by the body as a part of its normal healthy process. So there are different mechanisms of action of nitrate present in our body. One is to control blood pressure, kill tumor cell, and heal wounds. How it can control blood pressure? It can vasodilate your blood vessel, and the mechanism to kill tumor cell is not clearly understood, but it also have to heal wounds. Method of preparation में आ जाए. The salt is prepared by treating sodium hydroxide by mixing nitrogen dioxide and nitric oxide. Nitrogen dioxide and nitric oxide with sodium hydroxide we have sodium nitrite, NaNO2. The conversion is sensitive to the presence of oxygen, which can lead to varying amount of sodium nitrite. So it depends upon the presence of oxygen. So it will increase or decrease the yield of your final product, which is sodium nitrite. It can also be prepared from sodium carbonate, reaction of sodium carbonate with nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. This is your nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide reacts with sodium carbonate to have sodium nitrite and carbon dioxide. And now the chemical reactions in the laboratory. Sodium nitrite can be used to destroy excess sodium azide. So if we want to remove sodium azide from any compound, we can use sodium nitrite. So sodium azide react with sodium nitrite with the help of you can say H positive hydrogen donor. So we can use acid here, and then we have our nitrogen oxide and then sodium and two water molecules. Above 330 degrees sodium nitrite decomposes to sodium oxide, nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Sodium nitrite also decomposes into sodium oxide, nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Sodium nitrite can also be used in the production of nitrous acid via sulfuric acid. This reaction first yields nitrous acid and sodium sulfate. So sodium nitrite reacts with H2SO4 to yield nitrous acid. So this is nitrous acid. This is nitrous acid and sodium sulfate. Now this nitrous acid yield NO2, NO and H2O. Now this NO2 reacts with water to have HNO3 and HNO2. Okay, the nitrogen dioxide, when we pass nitrogen dioxide through a condenser or if we perform fraction distillation, we will have HNO3, which is nitric acid. So you can prepare sodium nitrite from, nitric acid from sodium nitrite. So this is three-step mechanism, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can prepare nitric acid from sodium nitrite by three-step mechanism. First, it converted to nitrous acid. Nitric acid is converted into nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide after fraction distillation reacts with water to form nitric acid. And what are the physical properties? Its molecular mass is 68.9, appearance is white, slightly yellowish solid, density is 2.1, melting point is 271 degree. Its solubility is increasing with the temperature. So you can say 71 degree, 71.4 gram is soluble in 100 ml at 0 degree, but if we increase the temperature to 25 degree, 84 gram is soluble in 100 ml. If we more increase the temperature to 100 degree, 160 gram is soluble in 100 ml. And the solubility in methanol, ethanol value slightly soluble in diethyl ether and value soluble in ammonia.